Oh, wait. Oh, we're recording. Okay. So, welcome back, guys. We're, surprisingly doing another dev log for my silly third-person shooter project. So, yeah, it's been a while. I was doing some, actually taking some courses on C-sharp programming, so I could get one big obstacle, well, partially out of the way. It's still going to be hard as shit, but at least this time I actually know somewhat what I'm doing when coding. Unfortunately, still having a bit of issues with the 3D modeling, exporting and importing and stuff. So as you can see, here's my model. I got it inside. I did finally figure out that one issue why all the animations were like combined. I turned one thing off in the FBX export settings in Blender, and now they all work properly. Look down here. Got the right things going on. Yeah, they still look kind of like crap, but hey, it's just a practice prototype model. Hopefully we can refine that in the future. So yeah, we got that fixed a bit, but now we're, as you can see, he's stuck in the crouch back animation pose, where he's crouch walking backwards, and I really don't want that pose to be in this window because it's very hard for references. Hang on, let's see if we can show you what I mean. You see, I'm using this weird plugin called Cinemachine Brain, which is part of a tutorial I'm using, and yes, there are some errors, although the animations do seem to work fine. They actually work a little fine in the product thing. In my animator, I got the idle animation set up, and while it doesn't do that in the scene editor, if I click play the scene, you can see he's in his idle pose. Unfortunately, due to where the model was way bigger than I anticipated, and so the camera's just stuck down here looking at his shins. Although he does move, and I can still move around because I got all that stuff put in thanks to that one animation. But yeah, he's stuck in here, and there were a couple issues with that, mainly for the capsule collider and the character controller thing. I kind of got it to where the crouch thing is, but I need to have him so he's in his idle pose so I can get the full thing. And as you could also tell in that animation, he's also sunk through the ground, so that I'm going to have to fix that too. I could just move this back, but it's stuck in its position, and I've been away from Unity for a while, so I can't remember how to change that. I may have to take this off and completely redo it. You know, just a whole bunch of Unity mumbo-jumbo. Another weird thing is when I imported this. As you can see, here it is, right, the model down here, and all the animations are attached to this model. I can't take these animations off the model. If I tried to move one of these into this animations folder, it would take the whole thing. In that tutorial I've been watching, I'll provide a link to it in the description. He downloaded a model from Mixamo, and he said, yeah, why don't you just download a model from Mixamo? Look, I just want to make my own animations. And so that tutorial is somewhat unhelpful because apparently Mixamo, the model and the animations are separate. And the animations are kept in a separate folder. And I'm wondering if that could be a better way to do this, but I'm not sure if you can do that with Blender. I'm not sure how to do that. So if anyone could help me out with any of these issues, I would be most appreciative. And no, I'm not switching to Unreal Engine. Those courses I took focused on Unity, and I am not switching to another game engine when I put so much effort into this one. So please don't tell me that. And so yeah, I am making a little progress at least. This idiot looks kind of silly, but yeah, I just need to find out how to either put him in his idle pose in this scene or even in his T-pose. But yeah, anyone who has knowledge with Unity who can help me with this stuff, I'd be most appreciative. And thank you for your time. So yeah, that's basically all I have to say. So thank you for showing up.